Dumelang, ke a le amogela mo Losika Writes. Nna ke bidiwa Tshegofatso. Hello and welcome to my corner of the internet at Losika Writes. I am Tshegofatso and today I thought I'd make a video about how to give orders or how to give instructions. In Setswana, of course. Remember to like, share, subscribe, do all the things and support my channel. Let's get started. So how do you give orders? The first is to say, hey, listen, I give this one a lot. I have 2 kids, 11 and 5, and I'm always saying, listen, listen, reza, reza, reza is listen, ema, ema, stop. Emisa so si dirang, stop what you're doing. Emisa so si dirang, stop what you're doing. Emma, Emma, stop. Emisa go dira jalo. Emisa go dira jalo. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Emisa go dira jalo. Stop doing that. Sidiri jalo. Sidiri jalo. Don't do that. Don't do that. Sidiri jalo. Sidiri jalo. Don't do that. Bula lebati. Bula lebati. Open the door. Open the door. Recently, this has been a thing where someone presses the doorbell and the 5-year-old, ding, 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 while the 11-year-old is not opening the door. Bula lebati. Open the door. Bula buka. Open the book. Open the book. Tswala lebati. Tswala lebati. Close the door. Tswala buka. Close the book. It's time for bed. Close the book. Tswala buka. Tswala molomo. Zip it. Close your mouth. Tswala molomo. Zip. Tswala molomo. Close your mouth. Nkarabe. Nkarabe. Answer me. Answer me. You know when you've asked a question and someone's just looking at you like a deer in headlights? Nkarabe. Answer me. Arabapoto. Arabapoto. Answer the question. Answer the question. Didimala. Didimala. Be silent. Be quiet. Didimala. That is for one person. Didimalang. Like you're in church and you're like, Didimalang. Quiet, please. Be quiet. Be silent. Didimalang. Emma, kadinao. Emma, kadinao. Stand up. Stand up. Emma, kadinao. Emma is stand. Kadinao. On your feet. Stand up. Sit down. Nna fafati. Nna fafati. Sit down. Nna fafati. Sit down. I think as a parent, I've given you some tools there. Tswala molomo. Nna fafati. Close your mouth and sit down. Emisa go dira jalo. Stop doing that. Araba. Araba potso. Answer the question. Nkarabe man. Answer me. I feel like those are African movies. The Nkoshings, you know, the old ones. Nkarabe man. Anyway, hope you like this and you are happy with the increased vocabulary. Till next time, Khosiame. Bye.